Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide everyone how to download WWE 2K on your PC or laptop so everyone can play. First, everyone will open a browser for me. Next, everyone will go to the Steam homepage. I will leave the website link in the description below the video. After accessing the website, everyone will choose to install Steam. Click on Install Steam. Once the Steam installer is downloaded, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Choose Yes. Choose Next. Choose Next. Choose Install. Choose Finish. Everyone will log into their Steam account. If anyone doesn't have a Steam account, they should create one. After logging into the Steam account, everyone will search for the game WWE 2K here. This is the game WWE 2K. Everyone will click on it. Choose View Page. To download the game WWE 2K, we need to purchase the game. Everyone will choose Add to Cart. Choose View My Cart. Choose Continue to Payment. We will use a Visa card, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will be in the Libraries section. Everyone will see the game WWE 2K here. Then everyone selects it. Select Install to proceed with downloading and installing the game to your computer. After the installation is complete, you can play WWE 2K on your computer.